Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So today we're gonna do a little bit of gardening. We're gonna go up to the garden center. We're going up to Lowe's to get some dirt because my yard looks like shit. There it is. For those who were wondering about that circle, it's still down there. All the flowers are blooming. But yeah, I'm gonna go up to Lowe's to get some dirt because my neighbor, you guys always, if you're not new here, you know my neighbors. They're coming up to help me. They come up every summer. They're coming up to help me. We're not going to do any yard work or anything. We're just going to plant some vegetable in the garden. We're not doing a big garden this year. I cannot do it. So, yeah, let's go along. Let's go to Lowe's. All right, so we're going to head out, and I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. We're not trying to spend any money. We're here for dirt. These I always use. But they are $10 a bag. I think I'm gonna go up to Walmart and come back. I'm gonna compare prices first, then I'll come back. So I'm gonna, Walmart is next door. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and come back because the pricing, okay guys, so now I'm at Walmart and I'm looking at the prices, and the prices of some of the raised bed garden mix is not no better than Lowe's. And I'm not in the mood to go to Home Depot. That's like 15 minutes away from my house. I just didn't want to go there. It was just too much for me. So we're gonna go back. The prices ain't no better, as you can see there. So I'm just walking around, see what else I can find. But I want to get raised bed garden soil, or I could just get, these are for in-ground plants, but I have a raised bed. Now, saying that, I could use that because I've used it last year, but here I found some that are a little cheaper, $7 a bag. I think I'm gonna go with this. So yeah, I went in and I got those one from Walmart. So here I am over at one of my local garden centers called Hewitt's. If you're located in the Glenville area, go over and support your local people at the garden center. So that's where I'm at, and I'm going around to see what can I find. Usually I'll sow my seeds and stuff, but guys, I didn't had a chance to do that, so I'm behind. So I said, let me go up here and see if I can get some. Now, mind you, my goal is for this gardening is $100. So yeah, well, the 100 of my goal is. So I went over, but not a lot, but I went over a little. I think I like $5 I went over. So I'm just showing you guys around. There's some perennials, and I'm just showing you all the flowers and stuff. I did not buy any flowers. I'm just up here for vegetables, okay? So before I took a cart, I said, let me go on in and look and see what they have first before. I don't want to push around a cart and then they don't have anything that I find to my liking or my use. So I walked around and I seen what I like, and I like the prices. So I went ahead and got me a little cart and came back in and get stuff going. If it's your first time here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If it's not your first time here, welcome back, guys, and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. I appreciate you guys, and if you guys are not new and is wondering, oh, I'm getting better. I'm 3 weeks now post-op. I'm getting better. I'm getting there. My foot still hurts, but I'm getting there. So I'm gonna try to have more content come out for you guys. I have so much content in the yard, but I can't do it because I have to take it easy. But for the little that I can do, I will have some stuff coming for you guys, meaning I'll have at least 3 posts, 1 to 3 posts a month versus no posts at all. So over here, this is what's going on. Like I said, I like what I've seen. I'm gonna go get a cart and go back picking up stuff. I don't know what I was saying to you guys because I kind of muted so I could talk to you guys while here. Now, if you make it this far throughout the video, please do me a favor and go ahead and share this video out. Share it with your friends and family. Share it on your For You page. Share it on your status. Share it on your Facebook. Anywhere you can share it. Share it out. I appreciate you guys. All right. So that's what's going on over here. I'm looking and I'm trying to get me some sweet corn. I did planted that last year that I sowed from scratch. I sowed the seed from scratch, the starter, and it did amazing. So here I am. I'm picking up some corn. And guys, when you go to your nursery or your local garden center, just make sure when you're picking, you go in and dig in and look for the best. So you want to get the more for your bucks, right? So I go in and I pay attention to the roots. Like I always show you guys, pay attention to the roots, what you can make 2 off, 3 off, whatever, or what looks the best, okay? So that looks the best to me. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that flat in my little wagon there, and I'm gonna go around and we'll get some more stuff. Some of the stuff I'm not going to, like I'm doing a small garden this year. I'm not doing anything big because I gotta mind my health and take my time, so I don't want to overdo it. But I'm very excited that I'm actually doing what I like, and I'm so excited that my neighbors they came up to help me get things going. Like, and my other friend came up to cut my yard, which was amazing. Thanks to him, I appreciate him for that. Like, you know, nobody will ever do things like you do, but we still appreciate them. And my dog is enjoying the yard. She can run around. It cost me, guys, $400 for the first cut. First cut is the deepest, man, and it didn't even look as good as it looked now that it's done for free. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I think I'll put a little clip at the end so you guys can see what it looks like. My flower bed and garden and all that. I don't have flower in my front porch. It is what it is. I ain't gonna die. It is what it is. One day, God will send somebody to help me and help me forever. Not just to help and leave because they're my friend, but somebody in my life that will help me of a good deed. But anyway, we're picking up some cabbage over here, and I'm looking at these because both of these looks really nice, but I'm thinking which one. I'm looking at them, they both look nice, and I say you know, and then I finally pick one. I don't know why I'm asking you guys at that point like I was live, but anyways, we got the cabbage. Then we're gonna go ahead after we get that cabbage, and we're gonna get some green cabbage as well, because I did plant those last year and they did so well, and I sowed the seeds from scratch. So it's a little painful to pay. I paid $20.21 at that garden center, so it wasn't bad. So now I'm at the local garden center. This garden center is literally 2 blocks, not even 2, like 5 minutes walk down from my house. 5-minute walk. So it's called Schultz Garden Center. If you're local, come on up here and check them out. I love these guys. I'm always going down there. We have some strawberry out here. They're looking so good. I said I wasn't gonna plant strawberries, but after I came home last night and did the garden, everything looks so good. Now I'm gonna go back down there to get some strawberries. But look at this little baby strawberry. It's so cute. I wanted to pick it and eat it, but no, I didn't. I left it because I don't know what sprayed on it, so I left it. But these strawberries are so cute. My friend daughter, she loves strawberries, so I'd plan to plant a lot of strawberry so she could do strawberry picking at my home. But yeah, you know, God plan isn't like man plan, and man plan isn't like God plan. So yeah, so here we go. We're gonna go into, so at our local garden station down here in Schultz in Glenville, New York, they have like the vegetable area, they have the flower area, they have, like, you know, it's cute. I like these people. So here we have 99 cents for one of these little thing here. We're gonna get some thyme. I originally have thyme in my garden. That's the lemon thyme that comes back every year, but I love this other thyme. That's not lemon thyme. It has a different scent and flavor. I don't cook with the lemon thyme. I'm not a fan. We're gonna get some lemongrass because I didn't love me some lemongrass tea, and I like how it makes the house smell. Here they're showing us some bok choy. I'm gonna get some of that, but I also plant some bok choy seeds because I was reading the packet from the seeds that I have since last year, and it's saying it's not too late to plant them. So I did plant some bok choy seed as well with those that I bought from the store. So either way, I will have bok choy. So I want to go get some marigolds. So the flower, yes, I said I didn't buy any flowers. I did bought some marigolds. Because if you don't know and you're new to gardening, I like to put the marigold, and other gardener, you'll see them do that in between your plants to help keep the pesticide away. It doesn't keep them away fully, but it helps keeping them away. So I do like companion planting and plant a marigold in between each. So this is all I got for right now. I got some peppers, marigold, and I got the lemongrass, thyme, bok choy. And I'm here sitting down, guys, because my foot hurt, of course. And this is the fertilizer they have. But it's so cute that the guy at the local garden center, he wanted to know my YouTube channel, so I gave that to him. And of course, we paid $31 here. And here I am packing up, trying to get the cart back, and me, what my little self can't get the cart back in, but we did got it in. And then I then went home. So I'm taking you guys home with me and I was saying to you guys, look, there is a bees in my car and I can't get rid of the damn bees, and I'm allergic to bees. Look at him, he's flying, and no matter how I try to get him out, he wouldn't come out. I think he's flying for the flower, I don't know. So I got in, I'm trying to get him out and I can't get him out. I got him out and I'm reversing. What did he do? He came right back through the window. Right back through the window. So that's what I was telling you guys. So anyway, I've me almost holding up traffic back there. So I'm going to take you guys home with me. Because like I said, that's their little sign. Schultz Garden Center. Now, this is not a paid promoted content. I just like to share stuff with you guys. And for my locals who are watching, come on down and support them. So literally, in real time, I'm showing you guys, this is where I live. Literally down the road from them. Okay? So I'm just sharing with you guys what my yard looks like. It's not the best. These bushes needs to be trimmed and everything. It looks like a forest. But it is gonna be what it's gonna be. Like I said, my friend's gonna come over later on that day, and cut it for me. But yeah, don't forget to check out the bar. Right now I'm slowing down right here for you guys to check out how I build this bar. I'm gonna have a link in the comment section, in the description box, sorry, and the iCard about, so you guys could check that out. So now I'm home, sharing with you guys the garden. This is what it looks like. I brought my car as close as I can, so it should be easy. Just trying to make it easier so when my neighbors come up, then it's not too much work for them. Now, when I said my neighbors, if you guys are new here, these are my neighbors from my old house. They now live 50 minutes away from me, sometimes an hour, depends on traffic. Could be really, technically it's 45, but you know, they're older, so they drive slower. But yeah, so I want to make it as easy as I could before they get here. So I kind of originally just wanted to do like just these 2 boxes, but then we end up doing way more than we should have. These are wildflower. We're gonna leave them in, and those are leaves that came after I cleaned the yard. You know how it is in the wintertime. I'm up north New York, where you get some of the leaves and then there's some that just will come off later. So we're gonna weed out all of this. I'm gonna try my best to get stuff ready till they get here. So now they're here and they spread the dirt and everything for me, and she's helping me to plant the stuff. So we're gonna start off by planting her corn. So she's just making little holes. And they're so sweet. They brought up groceries, treat for my dog, food for my dog. They brought up fertilizer, even though I already have my own fertilizer. They also brought up some vegetable. I'm going to show you those, some peppers and stuff. And she's just like planting them for me. Aren't they sweet? They're like my second parent, man. I love these people. Not because they come up to my house, but we've been rolling for the last, I want to say 14 years now. I met them and I have no regret meeting them. So there she is, she's planting, she's showing, and she's just planting. Then I have the I didn't get that on camera, but she planted 4 and she said, I'm going to give you the honors to plant 2. That's it. She says, that's it. So I got the honors to plant 2, and it was amazing. It was amazing to do that. And it's good to have good people around, you know, people who actually love you and not just looking for anything from you, and genuinely wants to help you and genuinely love you. So that's what's going on over here at Shayna's Home DIY and Craft. So yes, I'm showing you she planted 2. Then I'm like, yeah, that's enough, because she don't want to be on camera, and I don't blame her. But we just showing you what she doing. We ain't showing you her. And of course, Fiona was up in the woods chasing the chipmunks. He ain't paying us no mind. She's like, I ain't gonna, not for the sun. I'm gonna be up here chasing my chipmunks. So once she gets that out, she's gonna plant it. Nothing crazy. Plant the rest. And then I get in and do the honors for the others. Guys, so these plants are like little babies. They're very sensitive. You gotta take your time, and so we don't get the root messed up. Take your time, separate the root and get them in the ground. Don't separate the whole root, but kind of like open up the bottom so the root can spread. So that's what she was doing. And this is how far we've made it throughout the night. This is what it looks like. I still got to plant some more stuff over here that I'm pointing. But over here we have the corn. We have our marigold. We have our lemongrass. We have our peppers, garlic. And guys, you want to make sure you're doing companion planting when you're doing this. I'm going to plant some more wildflower in the front so we can get some pollinators there. But yeah, that's what it looks like. The leaves are in there. I was going to get those leaves out, but the husband said leave them alone. They're good nutriment for the soil. So we have some potatoes up there in this box. We have not broccoli. We have bok choy. We have basil. Right here is where the potatoes are. But in the back we have bok choy, basil, celery, and beets. Over here we have cabbage and onion. So stay tuned, guys, to see as these grow. Cabbage, red cabbage, green cabbage, onion, and marigold. Now you want to do companion planting when you're doing your stuff. Like for cabbage, the snails and the worm loves it. So here I have some more cabbage. I didn't plan on doing this garden box, but beside the okra, chives, and thyme, because they're a good combination for planting. Now we're moving on to some hot Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. These my neighbor brought up for us, so I'm just sharing that with you guys. Those two in the small pan, I'm going to share it with my sister and my mom. And here is an overlook of a part of my yard. This is what it looks like. I am grateful that it's cut. All that you're seeing on the lawn is because the grass was long, so that's extra grass that fell back on. And I'm just showing you guys around a little bit and showing you how messy it is. There's so much work to do, but I can't get to it. Like, look at my front porch. Those boxes are still like dry flower from last year. So yeah, but you see, it looks amazing. My dog can run again. It looks like that because those are grass. It was so tall, there's grass on top of grass. And here, my little garden bed, all my flowers, like, they came back, they look good, but it needs to weed out and put mulch down, you know. But it is what it is. But I'm grateful. Look how nice this looks. It looks amazing. So if you guys make it this far throughout the video, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, type me a comment in the comment section so I can interact with you, and then share this video out with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now, all that I just ask you to do is free. It's not gonna cost you a penny. So just go ahead and do that for me if you want to show some appreciation for this video. Now remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed. Bye for now.